Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make one pot Irish potato porridge. This is so easy to make and it tastes so delicious. I hope you stay tuned and find out how I made this potato porridge recipe. To make this potato recipe, I've already washed my potatoes, so I'll peel the potato. When I'm done peeling the potato, cut into your desired shape. After cutting the potato, I'll rinse with water and set aside. For the sauce, have blended red bell peppers, onions, scotch bonnets, and tomatoes. Then I will season my chicken with salt. When I'm done seasoning the chicken, I will set aside. I'll be adding some oil into a preheated pan. Then I'll add the seasoned chicken and stir fry for about 3 minutes. While stir frying the chicken, I will season it with thyme. Continue stir frying until the chicken has fried properly. When the chicken is ready, remove from the oil. Into the same pan, I'll be adding the blended red bell pepper mixture. Stir to fry. I'll be topping it up with a little oil because I noticed that the oil wasn't enough. While the sauce is frying, I will add curry powder. I'll also add white pepper powder. Stir to combine. I will add stock cube, add some salt, and also add ginger powder. When I notice that the sauce have fried properly, I'll be adding the fried chicken. Stir to mix together into the sauce. Add the peeled potatoes. I also added ground crayfish. This is optional. Then I'll be adding hot water to quicken the cooking process. Please don't add too much water. Taste for salt and add if needed. Then cover the pan and allow to cook. Slice my vegetables. After about 10 minutes of cooking the potatoes, I'll be adding the sliced vegetables. Stir and cover and allow to simmer for about 2 or 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, the potato porridge is ready. You can turn off the heat. This potato porridge tastes so delicious. I hope you try this recipe. And thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.